In this video, we're going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin using PayPal on Binance. So once you're on Binance, you simply have to go to your wallet, and from here, simply click Funding. Then you simply have to head over to P2P trading, and on the P2P page, simply choose Bitcoin or whatever crypto you want to buy now. So now, here's where it actually gets interesting. So PayPal doesn't always show up as an option for everyone. So Binance literally auto-detects your country, so if you're in certain European countries, you should be able to see PayPal listed under payment methods. But if you don't see it, you might need to use a VPN to access a region where it's supported. So now, if PayPal is available, you simply have to select it and move on to the next step. But if it's not, don't worry, we've still got you. So for some users, you can try switching your currency to Euros or USD. So this can actually help make PayPal appear as an option. It's not always a guarantee, but it's definitely worth a shot. So if PayPal is showing, you simply have to choose the seller, enter the amount and complete the transaction. And the seller will then send you the Bitcoin and it will then land in your Binance funding wallet. And that's it. So that's how to buy Bitcoin using PayPal on Binance. So that's simply how to do it. I hope you found this insightful, and if you did, consider leaving a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.